Hey everybody, thank you for watching. My name is Edensophie and welcome to my channel. This is my very first video and I really hope I did good. Anyway, so this is the look that I decided to do today. I really love it, and make sure you guys stay to the end of the video to check out how I got this look. Yeah, I've been doing makeup on my Instagram and I know most of my friends and some of you guys were asking where is my YouTube, and so now I'm humbly gonna just say that I'm now part of the YouTube family. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you're from my Instagram watching this video, make sure to comment down below so I know that you're here to support a sister. Anyway, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I think I'm a little bit far, so I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you guys can see me. Yeah, this is better. So I just went ahead and did my brows, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the eyes. And I wanted to show you guys actually some stuff that I grabbed, and this is from the company Dede Signature. She's Cameroonian and she's based in the US. For someone who loves to buy makeup, when I bought this makeup I felt really good because, you know, just to know that it's a Cameroonian who has her own brand and is coming out with really pigmented shadows just makes my heart, I'm just happy, you know. So came out with 5 quads. These are like cute travel size palettes. This is the Avocado palette, and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade because today I feel like I want to do like a chocolate smoky brown look, and I'm gonna go in with the chocolate palette, coconut palette. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. Ooh, this brown one here, and this dark one up here. I will definitely be playing with the other palettes, so you guys should definitely check her out. And this is not sponsored, eh? I'm just like really happy that I have a Cameroonian makeup brand in my collection. So yes, I went ahead and did one eye off camera because I wasn't really sure what I was planning to do with this brown shades, but I did come out with this really cute brown, simple, really smoky eye look, which I'm gonna use using Dede Signature's palettes. This ones I'm gonna go into the coconut and the avocado. And first I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm just gonna go in using my P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna apply just tiny little. It is all even and ready for my eyeshadow. The most important thing is just making sure that your base is on and it's tacky. And now I'm just gonna go into my, I love the fact that this has a mirror, so I don't have to like stress myself. I'm gonna go in with the shade, oh, they don't have names by the way, so it's just a brown shade, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it, this one right here. So I'm just gonna concentrate that into my crease area, and I'm not blending it yet, I'm just putting the product on into the crease like so, and I'm making sure to dust the excess off. And I've noticed there's not much fallout, which is good. You just make sure that when you dust the excess off, you have less fallout. For all shadows, make sure you take your time when you're blending your shadows, because I feel like this is just the main part of it. And this is just my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in one of your palettes, which I love. And I'm just gonna change the brush, and I'm just gonna go in, it's kind of like clean, and I'm just gonna go in and just buff that out to just really make sure that my transition shade is blended, and dipping into it just a little bit. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm just gonna go into my Avocado Dede's palette, and I'm gonna be dipping into this cute dark brown shade. Can you see this? Yeah, this shade here. I'm just gonna focus this into my crease area and just below my transition shade to darken up the crease just a little bit. And I'm just going in like this, going back and forth. So I'm just darkening up the crease area using my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm just blending actually. and I'm bringing it into my inner crease area and into my outer. I'm kind of creating like a round shape, and I'm just gonna go in back into that brush. It has minimal to no product at all, and just blend both out, kind of diffuse both shades into each other to kind of make it seem like one. So I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place my Vanessa's palette, and I'm gonna pick up this shade Busy, this one right here, and I'm just gonna apply that just to set my under eyebrow area. I take a flat brush with my Inglot gel liner, and I'm just gonna apply that gel literally on my lid. The brush, you don't want to put on too much on the brush. If you do, then you can always like just take it off, like use maybe like a paper towel to just wipe it off. And we're just gonna go back in. I'm gonna go in with the same shade in the Avocado palette, and I'm just gonna take in the same brush, the same Morphe's brush, and just blend the areas. I'm just packing on that shade on the lid, and then I'm gonna go in back into my Morphe M506 brush. I went ahead and added a little bit of brown glitter, which I'm going to just go and apply that using my ring finger. And just, obviously I have nails, so I feel like I can go further than where I am. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush, and I'm gonna take the brush and it's gonna guide me to apply in the areas where I can reach with my finger. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on our eyelashes, and then we're gonna come back and focus on the face. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this hydrating mist. This hydrating mist, this is the Milani's. This is Milani Rose Water, which is a prep and refresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over my face. I'm gonna use the NYX, the Marshmallow primer, and I just love the fact that it has a pump and you can actually control. Oh, my hands are dirty. I feel like you can control the amount of product you can actually use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my face. It doesn't take away the shine from your face. You can see how my face is oily, and even after applying this primer, it still leaves a shine on, and it kind of fades into your skin. We're gonna be using the new Fenty blurring skin tint. This is the latest release that just came out, and I've watched some reviews about it, and it said that it's really good for people with dry skin. It's light to medium coverage and is blurring. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. She did say that you should use your hands, but I'm not gonna do that. And whew, I hope that this is my shade. I'm gonna use a brush first. Where's my brush? Okay. This is a Real Techniques brush. Yeah, my eye. This is really beautiful. I feel like I want to go in maybe one more, because there's really nothing on my forehead. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop One Stop concealer, this one, and I'm gonna go in and just apply that under my eyes. And this is in the shade, oh, this is in the shade Golden, of course. And I'm just gonna apply that all under my eyes and just a little bit on my nose, just a little bit, and on my mouth. This is my favorite concealer, by the way. I love it. I love how it just glides on. It's creamy, it's full coverage. It's just the perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just set my under eyes using a pressed powder before I actually go in and bake. And I'm just gonna use a damp beauty blender, and the one I'm using is the L'Oreal. This is the Pro Matte one, not the 24 Fresh Hour, because I know they just came out with a powder foundation. I actually do have that, but I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and bronze. I think I'm just gonna use, this is the Morphe. This is the Phenom bronzer. I'm gonna go in and bronze. I'm just gonna use my brush. And this is pigmented, so I have to be very careful. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bake the face. And I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Mercier's translucent powder. And this is a Morphe's brush 536. And I'm not even gonna bake too much. I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place Vanessa's palette. I'm gonna take that shade BSG and actually add just a little bit of brown to my cheeks. It's kind of like a bronzer, but like I'm not. It's like a blush, but it's brown. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna use what brush? Okay. This is like my contour brush anyway, so I'm just gonna dip. Ooh, it's pigmented, so if you're doing this, be careful. And I'm just gonna take that, smell a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the matte finish setting spray from Nyxcosmetics, and we're just gonna go ahead and spray the whole face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this black liner. This is from ELF. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on the eyes. Oh, I feel like I need a mirror in front of me. And now that's on, I'm gonna go ahead with the shade from the Avocado's palette, and using a smudge brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over. Oh, be careful not to avoid any fallout. Okay, like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my eye. I'm just gonna go into my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure I blend everything out. And I don't think I'm gonna go in my transition shade. I do like the fact that it's actually black like that. And so now we're just gonna go in with our mascara, and that is the Maybeline Sky High. Okay, so now we're just gonna focus on the highlighter and the lips. Ooh, behave. Yo, my head is so old. Okay, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Iced Out highlighter. Ooh, that's better. And I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. So I'm gonna go in with my color lip liner. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm just gonna line my lips using that brown. It's like a brown, so if you have chestnut at home from MAC Cosmetics, it's kind of the same thing, just this is cheaper. And next I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place nude lipstick, and this is Mademoiselle. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this in the center of my lips. I love this. I love nude. Nude is my favorite. It's my go-to all time, any lip. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, please don't forget to like this video if you loved it. Comment down below if there's anything that you want me to change or anything that I should know about, and also just let me know how I did for my first video. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. I would definitely try to be consistent on here, so make sure you stick with me. Subscribe, like, comment, and even turn on the notification bell so you're gonna stay with me. You're gonna know when I have a new video. Anyways, bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.